1 on your homework. So we've got 3 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Whenever we have something squared, we know that that means what?
Rewrite it.
Rewrite it. Being squared,
Multiply by itself.
you're multiplying it by itself. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this and multiply it out by itself. So I'm going to rewrite this to 3 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Squared simply means you multiply it by itself. Okay, so now I'm going to FOIL. I have a binomial times a binomial, and that tells me I have to FOIL. So when I FOIL, I multiply my first terms. So let's go ahead and do it. My first terms are 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 plus my outside term is 3 square root of 2 times 2 square root of 3 plus my inside term, which is 2 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 2, and my last term is 2 square root of 3. Let's just write that square root. Okay, I ran out of room. So let's go ahead and multiply this out. So this is just me writing out what FOIL is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do that. When we multiply the constants first. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then what's under the square root gets multiplied. 2 times 2. So now we have plus 3 times 3 is 6. Square root of 2 times 3. All right, we'll just go ahead and write down what the square root is. So we've got square root of 4 and square root of 6. So 2 times 2. There we go. And then here we have 2 times 3 is 6, and then square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. And then here, I can think about this, it's like 2 squared, which is 4, times square root of 3 squared, which is the square root of 9, which is 3. All right, so let's reduce and combine like terms. I can take this square root of 2. The square. Yes. Then you go through and you reduce and simplify, combine like terms. So here, I've got the square root of 4. I know that that's 2.
So is it 9 times 2?
Yeah, so that's going to be 9 times 2. Plus, now I can combine these. I've got plus square root of 6, plus 6 square root of 6, and plus 6 square root of 6. So I think, how many square root of 6s do I have? 12 of them. I put them together. 6 and 6 is 12 square root of 6. So I have 12 square root of 6 plus 12. Question? 4 times 3. Where did I get 4 times 3? 2 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3. So we would have 2 times 2 would be 4 here. And then square root of 3 times square root of 3 would be square root of 9, or 3. This, when I combine like terms. So I thought, how many square root of 6s do I have? I have a square root of 6 here and a square root of 6 here. I can think about those terms like variables. They have to be exactly the same to be able to combine them, but if they are, you can just add them together. So 6 square root of 6 plus 6 square root of 6, I've got 6 and 6 is 12. 12 square root of 6s. Okay, then the 12 comes from 4 times 3. Everyone all caught up?
Oh, okay.
Good, good. Okay, so now we're going to combine like terms. 12 here, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 12. I'm going to move this one over. Plus 12 square root of 6. Is there a question? No, 18 plus 12 is 30, plus 12 square root of 6.
You can't add the thing.
No, because the 12 is 12 square root of 6s. It's not just 12. It's 12 square root of 6s.
Do you have particle boards?